For a Sunday afternoon, we had a lot of sunshine with hot temperatures reaching the middle 90s for most of us with hotter heat index values. And for tonight, it's still on the warmer side with a clear sky around the region, but very quiet conditions out along the Savannah River and River Street right now. 83 degrees, but it is feeling like 93 due to the humidity at 85%, where you have a light southerly breeze at 8 miles per hour, helping to bring in some of that extra moisture from the south, which will fuel some showers and storms as we head through the day tomorrow and into the middle part of the next work week. Viper radar scanning the skies, getting mainly clear air returns off of the coast. We had some activity setting up just to our west, but fizzling out before making its way into our area. As we head into the overnight hours with that clear sky, some of our inland communities will be able to cool off into the lower 70s. There's a chance that a few spots make it into the upper 60s, but it will stay a bit milder more toward the coast. 78 degrees, the forecast low temperature out on Hilton Head. 76 for us here in Savannah with a good supply of sunshine early in the day. We will warm up quickly, lower 90s just past lunchtime. It becomes hot and humid. Isolated storms develop as we head through the later part of the day. High temperatures will warm into the middle 90s for some of us, so there is enough warmth to work with that. We could have a few strong and severe storms developing around the region, and that will be with high pressure helping to drive in some of that extra moisture from the southwest ahead of a weak frontal boundary that's draped across the region. Extra cloud cover will be coming in from the northwest, fueling some extra storm chances as we head into the middle part of the week. Now, as far as Monday, overall, the severe weather risk is on the low end of the scale. Scattered storms will begin to develop during the later afternoon and into the evening hours. Damaging wind is going to be the primary concern, with wind gusts in excess of 40 or 50 miles per hour. Of course, even stronger with some of the severe storms that set up. Heavy rain is going to be a possibility as well. With high rainfall rates, we could have some minor street flooding in a few isolated spots. But as far as that timing, between around noon through 8 p.m. and a similar setup will be expected on Tuesday with isolated strong and severe storms possible. Hour by hour throughout our Monday, we'll have a lot of sunshine early on throughout the day. The cloud cover and the showers and storms will start to really pick up as we head into the mid-afternoon hours. A few pockets of heavy rain still with us through 7 and 8 o'clock, but once we really lose that daytime heating, looks like most of that will start to settle down and just maybe a few showers left late in the evening. But for Tuesday morning, starting off dry again and then heading toward lunchtime and beyond, that's when showers and storms will start to develop, with that chance for a few strong and severe storms and of course some areas of heavy rain developing in the same type of pattern. When we lose that daytime heating, conditions will start to dry out for us once again. In the tropics, things are heating up. We have two tropical waves we are watching for potential development. This first one is about 400 miles to the southeast of Bermuda. It's a broad area of low pressure, but it's starting to show some signs of convective development as it moves to the northwest and eventually the north. It could become a little bit better organized, and also as far as that, even strengthen into a tropical depression or tropical storm. This large tropical wave pushing off the coast of Africa right now, a lot of convective activity around that. It's a very broad, disorganized area of low pressure right now. We do expect the environment to be conducive of slow development as it moves westward toward the Caribbean islands. At this point, no threat to land, but it's worth keeping an eye on as we head toward the peak of hurricane season. For tonight, 75 for low temperature, mostly clear, staying warm and humid. And then for tomorrow, it is going to be a hot and humid day with a few isolated showers and storms possible, with those highs in the middle 90s for most of us. So definitely a hot afternoon on the way. So be a little bit more unsettled for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday we start to dry out a bit. High temperatures in at least the lower to middle 90s each and every afternoon this week.
Still in that mid-90s, my goodness.
It's better than the upper 90s.
I guess so, that's right. I bet that's even better for sports, right?
Yeah, I mean, we're waiting for that football weather to get rid of those 90s.